Are you tired of worrying about the safety and performance of your Ford Escape's tires? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. AmacareRep TPMS Tire Pressure Sensors. Let's kick things off with the AmacareRep TPMS Tire Pressure Sensors. Priced at $28.99, these sensors caught my eye for their compatibility with a wide range of Ford models, including the Escape. If you want accurate tire pressure monitoring without a hefty price tag, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. These sensors have a measurement accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 psi, which means you'll always know when your tires need attention. With a measuring range of 0 to 150 psi, it's designed to keep your driving safe and efficient. Plus, they're pre-programmed and easy to install, which is perfect if you're not into complicated setups. The fact that over 300 have been purchased just in the last month shows there's a demand for reliable performance. Now, some people complained about the installation process being a bit tricky initially. Here's the thing though. If you follow the installation instructions carefully, you should be able to get these up and running without too much hassle. If you're looking for something straightforward, this might be a small bump in the road. This is perfect for you if you own a Ford Escape from 2009 to 2018 and want to ensure your tire pressure is just right. Skip this one if you're not keen on handling some DIY installation, but for the price, it's definitely value for money. Now, if the installation process seems like a lot, the next option might make things easier for you. Product number 2. Gearmeister TPMS Sensors. We have the Gearmeister TPMS sensors available for $32.59. What I found interesting about these is their compatibility with newer Ford models, including the 2020 to 2022 Escape. If you're looking for reliable sensors that work with the latest tech, this could be your go-to choice. These sensors are designed to last, featuring a powerful automotive-grade battery that lasts 5 to 8 years, which means you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Plus, they come pre-programmed for your vehicle, making installation a breeze. This is especially helpful if you're not very handy with car maintenance. Considering over 100 have been bought this month, it's clear many are trusting this product. However, some users have mentioned that they've had issues with the sensors not connecting properly. But here's the thing, as long as you ensure that your car's system can recognize the sensors, you should have no problems. It's a minor hurdle compared to the benefits. This is perfect for you if you want hassle-free installation and compatibility with newer Ford models. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's compatible with older vehicles. For what you get, the price is reasonable. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want total reliability. Product number 3. Kanchset TPMS Sensors. Our third pick is the Kanchset TPMS Sensors, priced at $38.99. What really caught my attention is their ability to work with a wide variety of Ford vehicles, including the Escape up to 2024. If you want something future-proof, this is worth considering. These sensors come pre-programmed, so installation is quick and easy. You can do it yourself in about 30 minutes. Plus, they maintain optimal tire pressure, which can save you fuel and extend your tire life by up to 30%. That's a pretty significant benefit when you think about it. With a solid rating and having been bought over 100 times recently, they're clearly gaining popularity. On the downside, some reviewers found the signal strength to be hit or miss in extreme conditions. But honestly, if you're using your Escape for everyday driving, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's not uncommon for TPMS systems to have issues in harsh weather. This is perfect for you if you value ease of installation and want to extend the life of your tires. Skip this one if you live in extreme climates where signal strength is a concern. Considering all the benefits, the value is there. Now, if you're looking for something that includes a useful tool for installation, the next product might be just what you need. Product number 4, we have the Michelin TPMS sensors, retailing for $42.99. This product stands out because it includes a TPMS 19 activation tool, which makes the installation process super convenient. If you need everything in one package, this is worth a look. The Michelin sensors have a wide compatibility with Ford and Lincoln vehicles, and they're designed to be user-friendly. With a high accuracy of 1.5 psi and a battery life of around 2 years, you're set for reliable monitoring. The fact that they've been bought over 100 times this past month shows a solid interest among users looking for ease of use. However, I did notice some complaints about the instructions being a bit unclear for some users. Here's the thing though, if you're somewhat technically inclined, you can probably figure it out fairly quickly. Just don't expect to rely solely on the manual. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one package with easy installation. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward setup without extra tools. Overall, you get a lot of value for what you pay. And finally, if you're looking for an essential component to complete your tire setup, you might want to consider the last product on this list. Product number 5, Aisin Performance Lug Nuts. We have the Aisin Performance Lug Nuts for $27.89. These are solid OEM-style replacements that caught my eye for their durability and quality. If you need reliable lug nuts for your Ford Escape, look no further. These lug nuts are made of alloy steel and feature triple plating with nickel and chrome, which means they're built to last and resist rust. Plus, they meet or exceed OEM standards, so you know they're reliable. With a set of 20, you'll have plenty to work with, and they've been purchased over 100 times recently, indicating that others are also trusting their quality. On the flip side, some people have reported that the finish scratches easily. But honestly, if you're careful during installation and handling, this shouldn't be a major issue. It's a minor concern when you consider the overall quality. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable set of lug nuts for your Ford Escape or similar vehicles. Skip this one if you're looking for something with a more premium finish. For the price, they deliver great value. To wrap things up, we've covered some solid options for tires and related components for your Ford Escape. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the ChangeSet TPMS sensors because of their ease of installation and future-proof design. Avoid the Massel if you're not comfortable with potential installation challenges.